Bonjour, hello everyone. I'm Sniti, your French educator from Master French with Sniti, and today we are going to start with a new video of basic French. So, in today's video, we are going to learn the French pronunciations of mathematical operations, which are opérations mathématiques. So, do remember that I'll be pronouncing the French pronunciations 2 times. So, let's get going. Here we have the first symbol, that is subtraction, which is la soustraction. La soustraction. Next comes addition, which is l'addition. L'addition. Then we have multiplication, which is le multiplication. Le multiplication. Now comes division, which is la division. La division. Then we have less than, which is moins que. Moins que. Now comes greater than, which is plus grand que. Plus grand que. At last we have equals to, that is est égal à. Est égal à. So that was all for today's video. I hope that you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. With that, thanks for watching. Bye bye and have a nice day.